Okay, this is part 5, final of the complete electrical system rebuild. The Switch Pro install. You can see all the looms, everything more or less cleaned up. Windshield back in, roof back in, passenger seats, all the gauge cluster installed. Switch Pro, we'll see how it does at the dunes on a real shakedown. But basically, this is the driveway shakedown just to make sure everything works, everything fits, everything. Everything's working, and I'm going to confirm right now that I just drove it around the block on the rollers, not the paddles. I just put the paddles on because I got to hop back in there and line my mirrors. But I put the paddles on it, level it out because the rollers are really low. I'll post a shakedown version of this YouTube install, and when I get a chance to get out to Glamis, which will be Thanksgiving. Anybody who watches my videos, feel free to stop by, and say hi.